Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittany. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like this video if you did like it. Today I'm going to be testing out the Makeup Revolution foundation sticks in two different shades and just see how well the coverage is and how long the foundation actually stays up. So yeah, if you guys want to see how this works, then just keep watching. Okay, so I have already moisturized my face with just regular lotion. Oh no! I have a juice up here and I forgot about it and now it's probably bad. But anyways, I have already moisturized my face with just basic Aveeno lotion. I'm pretty sure that's what it is, or it either might be like the off-brand. But I am going to be testing out this stuff today. I got two shades and this is the Makeup Revolution. Let's see. Fast-based stick foundation, and I got the shade F5, and then I also got the shade F6, and I think they're pretty different colors, but as you can see they're not open. This is my first impression on it, so this is what it is. It's just like a stick foundation. I've heard really good reviews. Actually, I've only heard one review on this, but it was from Casey Holmes. She did a first impressions on this and she actually really liked it. So let's see. I'm not exactly sure if you are supposed to apply it with a brush or with a but these colors are pretty different. That is X5 or F5. So I always do this. This top one right here is F5 and this is F6. So I'm probably gonna do I'll do the F6 in the lighter areas of my face, and then I'm going to do the F5 in like my contour areas. So let's see. It looks like it has really good coverage though, and I am such a full coverage person. I don't know exactly how much I'm supposed to be putting on my face. So, I don't know, I guess we'll just start off with that. Go away.
How's the heavy breathing on?
Go away. Okay, so I don't know, maybe I'll do half. I'm gonna do this half with my beauty sponge. This is just a Real Technique. And then maybe I'll do the other side with a brush. It actually does have pretty good coverage. Not as much as I do like, but we'll give it a chance here, and then maybe it is actually just because I'm applying it with a sponge. So I'm going to be using this e.l.f. powder brush. I use it for like liquid foundations though, and I'm gonna come in and do the other side. Yeah, so I think that F5 is a lot too dark for my skin. It is blending out pretty well though for a stick foundation. Okay, so this is what we are working with. Let's see. I think overall I need a little bit more because I didn't know how much I would need. So I'm just adding a little bit more of the F6 color or shade that I have, and then I'm gonna go back in with the brush and kind of just even it out. And this I'm kind of just like dabbing with like really light circles. It doesn't really feel heavy at all. Like it feels like a pretty good foundation. Lately I've been like just getting really oily though, so I don't know if it's like my setting powder or what, but I'm so sorry about this background. That is our old bed. Derek's weeding right now, so I do apologize for that noise. Oh wow, I'm actually really liking this so far. I wonder, I don't know if like my camera is, like if it's too bright outside right now. Whew, but I am actually really liking this. I can't wait to see what it looks like when it's all done. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. I have yet to find something better than this. This is in shade 5. And it really works for me. And so, until I find something different, I'm still gonna use this, okay? So don't judge me. I feel like I haven't also done a makeup video in a really long time, which I think that's what I want to start focusing my channel on more, because I love filming them. I love doing like chit chat, get ready with me. And plus, I love purchasing new makeup as well and talking to you guys about it. So I was thinking about, I'm sorry, I'm just going in with my Real Techniques Beauty Blender and blending out that concealer. I was thinking about doing like a foundation test out or something, like testing a new foundation every week, because new foundations come out all the time and I am all about using drugstore foundations. Sorry if I keep looking this way, this is where my mirror is. And it's not too pricey. I mean, drugstore makeup is kind of getting a little bit high up there, but if you don't like it, you can always take it back. That's the cool thing about makeup. And so if you guys want to have me test out anything for you, then definitely leave it in a comment below and I will be more than happy to film those videos. These are probably my favorite kind of videos to film. So yeah, I am really loving this right now. If you guys can see, I have a lot of freckles and this is actually like really toning them down, so that's cool. Okay, so I am gonna go ahead and use, I'm already out of this. This is the NYX Professional Makeup. It is the banana shade for finishing powder, but I am already out of that because it was really good. So what I have been doing, I've just been using this container because this one doesn't have an area for it, but I'm using the Rimmel London transparent powder, and what I'm doing is kind of just like scraping it so it can go, just creating like some loose powder instead of having just pressed powder. And then I'm going to take this sponge. I honestly am not sure where this sponge is from, but you don't need like a beauty blender sponge or anything to apply powder, like to bake. So I just use any sponge. Okay. So now we're just gonna let that sit, and then I'll probably just do my eyebrows right now. So I'm just taking this e.l.f. Duo brush. I honestly didn't even know that this had like a duo end at it. I just bought it for the spoolie. But I'm just gonna kind of brush off my eyebrows. I'm really liking this foundation. So I'm just gonna be going in with this Ulta brush. It's really old, I should probably get another one. And then I'm gonna be going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in Soft Brown. And I'm just gonna be filling in my brows. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eyebrow because I look like a mess right now, and then I will be right back. Okay, so now that I have my brows filled in, I'm gonna be going in with this flat brush. Honestly, I don't think it's a specific brand. I think I got it off of AliExpress a long time ago. So I'm gonna be going in with this MAC bronzer, and this one is in Golden. And then I'm just gonna be like going right here along my cheekbones. Just like that, and then I'm going to do the other side. Okay, and then I just did the upper areas of my forehead and then my... Okay, and then we're going to take a big fluffy brush and just kind of blend it out so it's not... There's not any harsh lines or anything. Also dust off any excess powder that you have from baking. I did forget about that. Ooh, there's a bunch of thunder outside. I'm loving this right now. It is really full coverage. And then I'm just gonna be taking this Party by Tarte blush and a, let's see, this is Luxie. I'm just gonna put that on my cheeks. Give it some color. And then I'm just gonna be taking a smaller brush and going in with my, I just had it, oh. Smashbox palette, spotlight palette that Casey Holmes created. Can you tell I'm upset? And then just highlight my cheekbones. I like to do my Cupid's bow and then the tip of my nose. There we go. I love this highlight. And then I'm just going to be going in with the CoverGirl Lash Blast Volume Mascara. I'm just applying that on my lash line. This look is super simple just because I want to get it done quick, and then I want to show you guys how exactly it lasts and everything. So yeah. Honestly, so far though, it's like not heavy at all. It feels really light, and I'm actually really excited about it because I did want to try that stick foundation, that new one that came out. I'm sorry, I don't know the name of it, but it had really good coverage because I like tested it on my hand at the store. I think it was at Sephora, but it just seemed cool to me, and that you didn't need that much of it to like spread around. And I honestly don't think I use that much of this Revolution makeup. I don't have too much of this mascara. I think my other one is in my purse, so I'm just like trying to make it do right now. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. Something super simple, like I just put mascara on, foundation, bronzer, blush, just the basics. But yeah, so far so good. This has really good coverage on it. It doesn't necessarily say if you're supposed to apply it with a brush or a sponge, but I liked both ways. I think it was just easier to move around on your face with a brush, a foundation brush. But overall, it's like really lightweight. I'm going to work around the house, like clean and do some laundry, so I will definitely come back to you guys and see how well this sits up on my face for a couple hours and let you guys know how well it stays. Okay guys, so my hair is a little bit crazy right now, but this is how my hair, or sorry, my makeup looks 4 hours. I think it's been around 4 hours. Let me see. It's 4:37 right now, and I think I started around noon, so yeah, 4.5 hours. But I've wrestled with Derek, I've cleaned a shit ton, I've taken a nap, and it's still really good. It's not like, it's a little bit oily, but nothing a little quick powder fix can, or powder can fix. But yeah, it's a blizzard right now, so sorry if the lighting is different. I don't know if you guys can see that out there. But I'm gonna go to my parents, and I'm hopefully gonna just edit this video and then upload it tonight for you guys. And yeah. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this makeup review, this first impression. I would give it probably a 9 out of 10. Just because I do see myself getting a little bit oily, and I know it'll probably progress, but yeah, definitely a 9 out of 10. It's got full coverage, and it's lightweight, and like I can barely feel it on my face, and it's like from taking a nap, it hasn't came off on my face. So yeah, I would definitely recommend, give it a try. And it's only $10 at Ulta right now. You can either buy it at Ulta or you can buy it at Revolution, Makeup Revolution, their website. And so yeah, I will post the links down below. Don't forget to hit a thumbs up on this video if you did like the video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I promise you, I'm really trying to get after posting more videos. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope to see you guys back, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.